Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of IMVU. So today I'm gonna show you how you can see Creator Catalog inside IMVU shop. So first of all, please like and subscribe. It will help us to reach more people. So if you want to see Creator Catalog, you can search here creator name, or you can click on the creator name which you want to see. As you can see, I'm gonna click this creator name, then it will only show me the creator catalog. So this is how you can see creator catalog. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and